In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create, manage, and optimize your Google Ads campaigns, helping you reach your target audience and grow your business. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your advertising skills, BusinessMind has got you covered. Let's dive right in. Expert mode. To gain greater control over your Google Ads campaigns, it's crucial to switch to expert mode. Expert mode provides advanced features and customization options for seasoned advertisers. This step allows you to fine-tune your campaigns, including bidding strategies, ad placements, and audience targeting, to align with your specific goals and objectives. By switching to expert mode, you can access a wealth of tools and settings that empower you to optimize your ad spend, monitor performance, and maximize your return on investment. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make this transition and harness the full potential of Google Ads for your marketing endeavors. Selecting your campaign goal. In the realm of Google Ads, you're presented with the option to choose a campaign goal, which Google provides as guidance for campaign optimization. However, in this tutorial, we'll deliberately opt to create a campaign without relying on Google's predefined goals. By doing so, you gain full control over every aspect of your campaign, from ad creatives to budget allocation. This approach allows you to tailor your campaign precisely to your unique objectives and audience, ensuring that your advertising efforts align with your specific business needs. Selecting your campaign type. In this tutorial, our primary emphasis is on creating a search campaign within Google Ads. Search campaigns feature straightforward text ads, akin to those displayed when users perform searches on Google. These text-based advertisements are highly effective for capturing the attention of users, actively seeking information, products, or services related to specific keywords. We will guide you through the process of setting up and optimizing these search ads, providing insights on keyword selection, ad copywriting, bidding strategies, and ad extensions. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create and manage search campaigns to enhance your online visibility and drive targeted traffic to your website. The landing page. When crafting your Google Ads campaign, a crucial step is specifying the ad destination, which involves entering the URL of your website or online store. This URL determines where users will be directed when they click on your ad. Selecting the right landing page is essential, as it should align with the ad's message and provide a seamless user experience. Your landing page should be relevant to the ad's content and offer clear, concise information, a compelling call to action, and easy navigation. By optimizing this ad destination, you enhance the chances of converting ad clicks into valuable actions, such as purchases, sign-ups, or inquiries. Navigating campaign settings. In the campaign setup process, it's crucial to configure campaign settings to suit your specific advertising goals. Start by giving your campaign a descriptive name for easy identification and organization. Next, you'll define critical parameters, such as network selection, choosing between search, display, or both. Setting start and end dates for your campaign, creating an ad schedule for when your ads will run, and specifying language targeting to reach your intended audience. These settings allow you to control where and when your ads appear, ensuring your campaign aligns with your objectives and reaches the right audience. Targeting the right audience. To define your target audience effectively, you need to focus on specifying locations and languages. In the context of this tutorial, as an example, the target audience is centered on the United States and the chosen language is English. This selection helps ensure that your ads are displayed primarily to users within the geographical area you've pinpointed and who are proficient in the language you've selected. Customizing these targeting parameters is essential for reaching the most relevant potential customers and optimizing the efficiency of your Google Ads campaign. It allows you to tailor your outreach to those who are more likely to engage with your ads and take desired actions. Budget and bidding. When setting up your Google Ads campaign, you'll need to address budget and bidding considerations. First, select your preferred advertising currency to align with your financial context. In this tutorial, we recommend establishing an average daily budget of $10, a flexible starting point for many advertisers. Google Ads employs a bidding and auction system, wherein you specify how much you're willing to pay for ad clicks or other desired actions. Further optimization can be achieved through choosing a suitable bidding strategy tailored to your campaign objectives. Additionally, implementing conversion tracking allows you to measure the effectiveness of your ads, helping you refine your strategy over time for better results. Ad groups. Ad groups play a pivotal role in structuring your Google Ads campaign. They are designed around specific keywords, ensuring that your ads are highly relevant to users' search queries. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the creation of an ad group focused on the keyword standing desk. Within the ad group, we explore various keyword match types, including exact match, phrase match, and modified broad match. These match types allow you to fine-tune when your ads are displayed, ensuring they align with the search intent of your target audience. By understanding and effectively using these match types, you can maximize the precision of your ad targeting and optimize your campaign's performance for better results. Ready to be seen. With your ad campaign structure in place, it's time to craft the actual ad content. In this phase, we create compelling ad copy to capture users' attention and encourage them to click. For this example, we use the keyword standing desk to ensure the ad's relevance to the user's search query. You'll add engaging headlines and descriptions that incorporate the chosen keyword to make the ad more appealing and pertinent. Additionally, the display path is defined to provide users with a clear idea of where the ad will lead them. The goal is to design the ad to occupy as much value as possible on the search results page, increasing its visibility and click-through rate. Effective ad content is crucial for driving traffic and achieving your campaign objectives. Multiple ads strategy. To optimize your ad campaign's performance, we recommend creating multiple ads within the same ad group. This approach is akin to A/B testing, but specifically tailored for Google Ads. By developing multiple ad variations, each with distinct headlines, descriptions, and display paths, you can determine which one resonates most effectively with your target audience for the chosen keyword. This strategy enables you to identify which ad elements generate higher click-through rates and conversions, providing valuable insights for refining your ad content and maximizing your campaign's success. By continuously testing and iterating, you can improve your ad's performance and drive better results over time. Review and activation. After you've created and set up your ads, the next step is the review and activation process by Google. The search engine will assess your ads to ensure that they comply with their policies and guidelines. If everything is correctly configured and adheres to their policies, Google will activate your ads, allowing them to be displayed to your target audience. It's crucial to pay close attention to Google's advertising policies to avoid any potential issues or delays in the activation process. Ensuring that your ads align with their guidelines will help you maintain a smooth advertising experience and reach your intended audience effectively. The Business Mind verdict. We have now covered the essential steps to create and manage a successful Google Ads campaign. We began with switching to expert mode for more control, then discussed campaign goals, types, and settings. We explored targeting and audience considerations, budgeting, and bidding strategies. Ad groups and the use of various keyword match types were highlighted. We delved into creating engaging ads with relevant content and the importance of multiple ads within an ad group for effective testing. Finally, we discussed the review and activation process, emphasizing compliance with Google's policies. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to optimize your Google Ads campaigns and achieve your advertising goals. And there you have it. We've explored the ways of marketing with Google Ads. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.